Hi guys, so I just thought I'd make a quick video to show you my laundry system. It's quite unique and I think you're going to like it. So here's something that needs washing. It's just been left on a chair. So this is the kitchen, this is where I keep my washing machine. So bearing in mind, there's actually some washing in here. So it hasn't been washed, it's just in the machine, it's a bit damp. So now I'm going to show you the rest of my system. This is the stairs, so as you can see there's some clean washing here. This is dirty again, a bit damp, dribble, that sort of thing. So you can see here, this is actually clean. Look at this. This is where I try. Mostly down here is. So this is. I'm not really sure what the what role it plays, but my husband's pretty attached to it. And here we have some more dirty washing. This should be in the basket, but the basket's full of clean stuff, so instead it's just like on the floor. And here we have some laundry baskets. As you can see, it doesn't have any laundry in it. It's just full of random rubbish. So that's it guys, that's my laundry system. Hopefully you found some inspiration in that, hopefully it's been useful for you. Let me know. Take care, see you next time, bye.